Morning. Out here on a stunning day today actually. Water's very cold though. We've had a cold snap come in. Yeah, 16.5 degrees. So it's dropped a few degrees in a week. So yeah. Probably going to slow things down a lot in the fishing, but we'll see how we go. Just using the Vibe 120, 125 mil today. White bait colour. Let it crack. Yeah, that cold snap came in, cooled everything down, and geez, that water temp dropped. I think it was around 19 degrees last time I was out here, and we're down to 16.5, so it's a big drop. Haven't seen any activity on the sounder really. It's been very quiet, so I suspect it's knocked the fish around a little bit. Just got to find them again. Anyway, hopefully I'll flash back with a nice fish on the line. It'll be good. There's a nice fish here. Took a while to get this first one, but it's got a bit of weight about it. Feels like a nice flathead actually. Oh no. What is it? Oh, beautiful brim. Beautiful brim with the 125 mil Vibe. Look at that. Absolutely walloped it. Good to see. He's absolutely creamed that. It's a huge lure for that brim, but just goes to show they do hit the big lure. There we go, beautiful fish. Absolutely beautiful fish. I think these marks here are when they're juveniles and they're caught in professional fishermen nets. And they get damaged on the top fin. I think you get a lot of fish like that. Anyway, we'll let him go. First fish, good to see. About 35 centimetre brim. Get him back in the water. Yeah, mate. Off he goes. Beautiful squid here. Just going to get back down there because there was a couple more following it up then. Beautiful squid on the Vibe there, absolutely beautiful. And I'm just going to whack it back down live. You never know what's going to eat these guys. Got a new spinner on here. It's a 50 grammer. Good design on it. Got it from Lancaster Tackle online. And geez, look, have a go at it. Have a go at the colours on it. I figured it would work well. It's a beautiful tailor. Just let that guy go. I figured it would work well with the colours and that on it, and the feathers. I figured, yeah, have a good shot of it getting some fish. Yeah. Another one. These are great fun, Taylor. You can't beat them. Constant action, chucking a spinner out. Another beauty. Another absolute beauty. He's fallen off. Might get straight back out there while they're jumping. Yep. here. Oh, he's getting fat, that one. Yeah, getting up that 50 size. Really fat, heavy tailer. That's good fun. Catching these just on a spin. Morning. Out here on a stunning morning. Dead flat, heading out the heads out here. With a good mate Chanel this morning. And hopefully we're going to nail a couple of snapper, or we've got a couple of lures we're going to trawl when we first get out there. We're going to look for a bit of ground on the bottom and hopefully find some snapper ground of some type. And maybe pick something up on the lures as well, so we'll just see how we go. Just coming through the bar here, but looks like a pretty flat day. Gonna have a bit of wind around today, but overall swell's gonna be very flat all day, so hopefully we can stay out here. Hopefully the wind don't get to us too much, and yeah, we'll see how we go. Alright, I'm gonna rip in while we go through the bar here. Snap back soon. Got one here. Oh, what do we got? We've got a parrotfish. The old parrotfish. They're a lovely looking fish. Chanel's onto a beautiful snag there. She's been fighting for a while. That's not a bad sized parrotfish. She's pretty big. Squid. She's pretty big on that one. Let him go. There you go, mate. There you going. He's not even coming off this way. Might be a snap-off job. Let me get a... Do you want to hold him up for a sec? Give us a quick look. It's too heavy. Big blind shark there Chanel's got. Not the most pleasant catch, that one. Chuck him back. Oh, look at that. The old Baker. Sergeant Baker this time. Filthy, dirty Sergeant Baker. Well, this is very unrewarding, Chanel, out here. Very unrewarding. Oh, you got it. Oh, he dropped it. Oh, no. Yeah, he did. Weird, he was swimming up. Might have been a pelagic, that one. Kingy, maybe. Swimming up with it when I hooked it. Take all his back. Yep. Oh, he dropped it again, man. That's a big fish. Whatever. Oh, he's back. Oh, it's coming up. It's over here. Whoa, it's a good fish. Yeah, it feels good. Whoa, this is big. It's a pelagic of some type. Whoa. Yeah, it's big. It's big, alright. Might be a shark the way it came up the surface. Weird the way it just kept coming back to us, eh? Look at it scream me. Jesus. I wish I got it on your reel. It's a bit light, but good fish, whatever it is. It's some type of surface action fish because it kept coming up to the surface. Big fish, eh? I might have the hook in my mouth in it. We'll find out when it comes up. It's coming up. Do you want the net? Yeah, we'll need the net for it. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's a shark. shark, I'm pretty sure. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Tried to get them bit me off. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I saw a fin come out of the water there. it's testing this little $35 reel out, that's for sure. I think this is a lot. I caught a couple of sharks on this cheap setup. Go on, let's have a look at ya. I predicted it. It was a good prediction, the old shark. I was hoping for a king eel, huh? Excitement. They fight a bit more than the blind shark, don't they? Come on. Might get to see a fin here. Pop out of the water. Oh, there he is. That's a hammerhead. It's a hammerhead.
Want me to leave?
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I guess so. He's not that big, is he? The hammerhead, eh? I must have hooked him in the hammer. There, he hasn't bit me off. That's what would have bit you off for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
He's come through and nailed everyone. I don't know, do you reckon we're better off grabbing by the tail? I think we are. Wait, I'll get him by the tail. He's pretty cool looking shark. I think. Yeah, watch his teeth, man. Yeah, I'll try and get him. Oh, he's got him. I've got him. Bagged him. Oh God, he's throwing the hammer around. He's throwing the hammer. Oh, I don't want him jumping in.
No, I don't he's tangling himself up, isn't he?
Yeah, just cut him. Can't bear it. Anywhere there.
Just cut it?
Yeah. There we go. Beautiful hammerhead. Look, he's not happy about this at all. He's really not. Do you want to get a bit of footage on my phone, actually? There we go, guys. Beautiful hammerhead. I'm not going to muck around with him much because they're quite a volatile species, the old hammerhead. But yeah, it's great to see. Nice on light gear. Gave me a good little tussle for himself. Anyway, we're going to let him go. I'd like to untangle him a little bit, but geez, they're hard to handle. Oh. Okay. Oh well. That was good.
That was good.
He even cooperated with me to pick him up.
That's fucking good.
It was awesome the way he took off, eh? And he was smashing us. Oh, well, there was a bit of excitement. Got some dolphins coming up here now. It's probably why we're not getting a lot of fish off here at the moment. The dolphins are spooking up. Anyway, I think we're going to go in and have a crack with some mullet and bream in the shallows in the channel. This wind's really tearing us up out here. At least we've got a couple of fish. Well, sharks, I should say. Alright, for a bit. Well, I think that's a new PB for me. The smallest flathead I've ever hooked. That is 100mm on a little light leather jacket setup. We've just moved to the bridge here, trying to hide from the wind because it's terribly cold out here, and just want to try and get a feed of jackets or brim or something. So we're anchored up near the bridge here. We're going to see how we go. Oh, that could be a jacket. Could be a jacket. Oh, I dropped him. Bugger. That was a jacket. Got him. Feels like a jacket. See if I can hold this one. I've been dropping a few. The last one felt like a good one. Yeah, he's a jacket. Target species here. That's what we're after. Not a bad, yeah, not a bad size jacket, that one. Yeah, I'm going over my sister's today for a barbecue, so these should be happy I bring something over. It's always something to eat in Lake Macquarie, the Target. Beautiful, eh?
Nice one, yeah.
Get him on the ice. There, you know what I mean? So, whoa, another jacket. Oh, this got a bit of weight. See if I can land this one. It's in the current. Geez, they put up a fight, eh? Oh, another ripper. Oh, I am just landing these as they're falling off the hook. You can see they're very tiny, long shanks, so a little bit of squid. 2 hooks, per Oscar. And yeah, another beautiful jacket. You can't rush it because of the small hooks, so you just got to take your time. And number 3, turning into a good little fishing trip now. Definitely not an expensive method of fishing either, like a tiny bit of bait you put on it underneath. One's pretty much, yeah. Pretty much, eh? Now, what are you doing up the front there? She's doing something up there, but she's certainly not catching fish. But here's number 4. I've caught her dinner for her tonight anyway, so she's lucky I've pulled the weight. Here we go, another beautiful leather jacket, number 5. So we've got our feed now. Oh, maybe a jacket. Yeah, feels like a jacket to me. Oh, there we go. That's the one. That's the money one. Blues on it. They're nice eating the jackets, I like them. Takes me back to my childhood. You see, you clean your leather jackets. Go under the spike there, cut it straight down, pull it back, grab the skin, peel the skin back. That's it. Job done. Nice and easy.
So easy.
No scaling. Nice, quick, easy way of cleaning. Yeah, that's it. Done. Cut just comes with the head. And the skin stays with it. There we go, guys. Another adventure done. Geez, it was a hard weekend. Wind blowing hard all weekend. Like 40k winds, and water temperature dropped to 16.5 degrees. So yeah, it was a tough weekend. Inside and outside was a tough weekend, but still caught fish. They will pick up. The fish are just settling into the cold weather, but yeah, things will get better. We still caught a feed, which is the main thing. Sorry about the late delivery on the video. I had a busy weekend, but yeah, better late than never. Anyway, guys, if you ain't fishing, you're wishing, and I'll see yous on the water. Catches.